Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset an oil change light on my 2017 Ford Escape. So the first thing you're going to do is get in the car, put your keys in, and turn it to the on position without starting the car, and your light will flash up, and you're going to press down on the brake and gas pedal at the same time and hold it down. And this will pop up, and you keep holding both pedals down. And there you go, it says it's complete, so you can release the pedals, and now the oil change light is gone. So I'm going to open the door, reset everything, turn the key on, and that message did not show up. So we have successfully reset the oil change light on this Escape.